Well, hello and welcome. And today, as no surprise, we're in the Lake District. And today, we're at a very special place that I've said I would come back to. And we've been here before. And today, we're heading up to Holme Fell. So it's quite an exciting day today because I've got gas. I've got gas. Gear acquisition syndrome. Coined by the boys from the Irish Photography podcast. Head over, go to iTunes or your favourite podcast player and search for the Irish Photography podcast. And a certain person on there, he loves gear. Well, kind of joined the club. Got the Rode Wireless Go. So far, so good. We had a little test local. Nothing I've put out, just seeing how they fare. Impressed. Although we've not had any bad weather yet whilst being out. Ah, it's looking so good. Everywhere's changing. Colours of the trees, beautiful. Anyway, I digress. We're here today at Holme Fell. Although I've got lost once. Only right, you gotta get lost. You know why I got lost? Looking at silver birch. And we're heading over to the north side of Holme Fell. I'm going to give this gear a test, a good test. If I say gear, I've only told you one piece so far. Yeah, there's more than one piece of equipment. Got gas big time. So as you've just seen, on that little bit of B-roll, I'm coming back to retrieve the camera. You know me, I don't do the walking away from the camera. But now I'm hands-free. Well, who knows? You might get some more of the old slow-mo. Mally stepping through the fells, baby. It's this anyway. Osprey Stratos 36. Bye, Whistler, bye. I'm sorry, Low Pro, but the Whistler, well, it hurt. It gave me pain. I've had this a day, walking around the house with it. Wife thinks I've gone mental. All my gear in, tripod on, in the house as well. And, wow. It's like I'm carrying nothing. And the other point is as well, I've got 2 litres of water, got lots of food. I've got 3 lenses now, all my filters, my drone, my 70 to 200, my 60 to 35. I've got, in the bottom of my bag, a gimbal. And on the other side, I've got all my batteries and all the, you know, your little bits, screw on, bottoms, wipes, all the malarkey. And there's still room. And it just doesn't even feel close to the weight of the Whistler. I can't explain to you how that feels and how happy I am. Put a few miles under these new webs, get the feet a walking. Job's a good one. So an Osprey, fantastic. I honestly can't praise it enough. I'm going to stop up here in a bit near the town and have myself a minute, a few shots and chill. There's no rush. But if I had the Whistler on now, well, I'd be gasping. I would. I'd be like fully out of breath and wondering, oh, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? I can't even tell I've got this on. Oh, it's looking so nice round here. Autumn's just starting. We're still very green. So today I came really early, heading for like to get some mist, and the dew point and everything was looking good, but then wind came in overnight. I still set off early and I knew the wind was coming and I wouldn't get anything in terms of atmosphere. But it wouldn't be Mally if I didn't say, oh, come on, let's just go anyway. I've been up most of the night with my little girl as well. And 3 o'clock in the morning, I was thinking, do we even bother? But that's the thing, do it. What's to lose? Even if I don't get any shots today, I've brought you guys with me. I'm sure I will. I keep seeing little shots now. Look at that growing out of that fallen tree. And there's another tree growing out of it. The light's just shining on it now. Make a lovely little square crop. Why? Because it's a little person. There's a little bit of a personality going on, and something, it's unique the way it's growing. Anyway, I've been like that, haven't I? It's this new microphone. Right, gotta go. Have a minute, see you up the top. So there you go, we've took you through the G.A.S. New backpack, new webs, that's boots. And they're feeling comfy. And the lens. What else? New me. Oh, that's saying. No, it's no new me. Same old, same old. Having fun. Loving it, loving the great outdoors. Sticking with the GoPro for vlogging. It does the job. It's quick, it's fast. Same thing. It's fast, it's quick. And I can just diatribe. Oh, this is a bit steep. We've made it to the wee tarn. It's only a stone's throw up from Hodge Close. It's I'm quite emotional. Speaking to her, she might be in one of the shots. A little lady, a little old lady. What am I on? Chalting the wheelies. Little old lady. Oh, I said, speaking to this little old lady. Can't see any teapots and witches. Oh, this light again. I'm jumping from one to another because look at this little scene. I know many of you who are full-on photographers who come here quite a lot. You know, I'm not going to say any names. It's all about me today. But this scene, the water, it's just calmed down. I was talking to the little lady and she's telling me about the area and pointing out there's geese. She was as enthusiastic as what I am, and she must have been in her late 60s, early 70s. Two lovely doggies swimming in the small tarn. Moments like just little moments. It was only passing 10 minutes, quick chat. I wish everyone would do that. So yeah, but just got a bit emotional. Lovely lady. I've got the shot. This is the thing about this setup now. Handheld, ISO 400, and I was even trying to experiment then with like f/16 and getting slight starbursts and stuff, but then I just clocked it down. ISO 100, f10. I think it was, I think I bracketed. Let's have a look. have a look. 6/40th of a second. It's quite fast. Handheld, of course. And it looks so painterly. And it still is. Look at this. The direct light is perfect. Because of the clouds moving as well, you're getting this softbox effect. If you just time it and wait, you'll see now, about now, you see, just as it's dropping off, the cloud passes over, you're still getting that light, but it's not as harsh, it's beautiful, very, very delicate. And obviously the silver birch, just give me the light. I want the light, I love the light. Give me the light, man. Silver birch, they sound like that. California, you know, listen to Red Hot Chili Peppers. That's how I kind of see me silver birch. Anyway, we're going to head up this way. We're not going to the summit today. We're going to head up this way and head in as if we're going to head towards the road or Yew Tree Tarn, but not dropping down, staying up on the top. Because past time I've been, time before that, spotted some trees up there. And if this light keeps doing this dappling and shimmering, so we've set up with this beautiful scene. I told you I wouldn't get far around this tarn. We are going to head up there in hunt of those trees that I've spotted. But for now, we've got this reflective, calm, quite tranquil, peaceful scene. And I am still a bit emotional after talking to the lady. And this sentiment I think it's lent itself to this scene because it's very picturesque and it's quite romantic actually. I'm using the larch trees as frames, as endpoints to just bring you into the main interest, which is the birch trees in the centre that are reflecting. And it's very calm and the reflections are beautiful. So we're just waiting for the light. The clouds are moving really fast. And it's very changeable today. Could get a shower or two, which, as you know, doesn't bother me. I test this gear out, and I'm just waiting for this light. The moment the light comes, no filters, no nothing, just really simple. Thinking about composition, maybe Mali style. It's possibly a bit 2D, a bit graphical as well, with the elements where I've placed them. Not huge amounts of depth, but I just love it. I love this scene, so why not? It's all right. This is different, isn't it? Yeah, for once, I'm chilling out. I've got a time lapse on the go. Son's got his hat on. Test this wee fella a bit more. I've used it throughout the day without a problem. But got to check the footage when I get home. Now there's a couple of people knocking about now, but you know me. Let's have a talk, let's have a chill. Stunning day. I've been right up to the top. Got some amazing views, as if anyone who's been here of the Langdale Pikes. We've got some birch on their own, but we're just lighting up as the sun was cascading across the land. Couldn't ask for more, really. I really couldn't. It's getting quite harsh, the light now, so I thought I'll have a minute, have a drink, something to eat. It's only 11 o'clock. We got here about 7:30. Just on sunrise, but I wasn't rushing. There's no point. And the light has got harsher and harsher, but with these clouds it's helping out. We're getting some, you know, some muted as I said before with the shot on the other side of this wee tarn, I think I got quite a nice shot. From here on out, I'm gonna say my piece and head over to my website, check me out on Instagram, all the links at the end of this video. If you like what you've seen, hit subscribe. And if you want to see more, hit that notification bell and YouTube will let you know when I put a new video out. Well, there's only one thing left to say, and that's Sithee from Holme Fell.